Hello and welcome back to my channel English is Easy. I hope that all of you are doing very good, and today what I am going to show you, that is what is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentence and how you can point out which sentence is what. So let us begin with what is a sentence. So basically a sentence is a group of words which expresses either a question or a wish, command, order, request, or even sometimes it gives you an statement. So a sentence is a group of words which gives you these things: a statement, number B, question, wish, expresses emotion, and also it's also gives you order or request you. So a statement does these things. A statement may be of a statement, it may ask you a question, or it may wish something, or it can give you command. So therefore a group of words which also has a verb, that is the most important thing of a statement, because without a verb a sentence cannot be correct, and the verb implies that the subject is doing some action, and sometimes what we have an object where the action is being implied on. So these are all the things, and there are punctuations, full stop, sometimes comma is also used to give a little pause between two sentences, and for exclamation, expressing some emotional outburst or some wish, we use exclamation sign, and even when you are quoting some words, there are some there are some quotation marks. So these punctuations also gives you an appropriate sentence. So by this way a sentence is being formed. In a sentence, you must always question the sentence to find out what are there. Whether the subject is doing the work, you can ask the question, by whom this work, this action has been done, you will get the answer of the subject. And if you question the subject, what the subject has done, then you are going to get that action or the object on which the action is being implied. And the most important thing is that there will be the verb, because without that nothing is going to happen. Either it will be the main verb or the auxiliary verb. So these are the things which a sentence do possess within itself. You have to remember these things. Now there are some kinds of sentence. Suppose statement or affirmative sentence or assertive sentence, or next comes number 2, interrogative sentence, after that exclamatory sentence, after that your optative statement. So these are the things which we are going to discuss today. So I am going to show you by some examples what each sentence is and how they are used in our language. So now let's see. What you are going to see, that there are 5 different kinds of sentences. First, number 1 is declarative statement. It can also be called a statement. When you are giving some answer to sentence, or you are refusing something, so these are the examples of declarative statement. That means you are declaring something, you are telling something. I will go to school today. That means you are giving a proper answer to something or you are stating something that these things is going to happen. Today, India will play against Pakistan. So, this is the thing that each time that some answers is being given or statement is being made. So, this is called our declarative sentence. Next, what comes? Interrogative. That means question. You are going to question someone. That means whenever you are going to question, whether will you go to school, did he come? So these are the questions. Suppose you are making a sentence, are you going to school today? When you are starting with an auxiliary verb which gives you a question, and after that the punctuation will be obviously the interrogative sign. What are you doing? The interrogative words, by using interrogative words, we can also make questions. That is, what are you doing? Where are you coming from? Where are you going? What is your purpose? These are the things. Which is your house? Who is your father? So all these types of things where interrogative words are used in the very first of the sentence, and after that auxiliary verb, then comes the subject, and at the last there will be an object or the verb may be there. So by this way, we are questioning something. So this is called interrogative sentence. And after interrogative sentence, imperative sentence. That means you are ordering something or requesting. Imperative sentence means order or request or command. Whenever the teacher asks the students, sit down, do not talk. So these are the some things they are commanding. The officer ordered his soldiers to open fire. So these are the things which shows you the command. Please hand me over the book. This shows you a request. So these are the things which can be considered as imperative sentence. After imperative sentence, exclamatory, showing or expressing emotions, some emotional thing. So these are the exclamatory sentence, and the punctuations what is going to be used is exclamation sign. So what a beautiful place this is, and after that exclamatory sign. What a cruel act you have done. So these are the things where an emotion is being shown or expression of emotions. Whenever in a sentence we expresses emotions, so these are considered as exclamatory sentence. So this is our exclamatory sentence. And the last one, optative. It is wish. When you expresses some wish, may God fulfill your dream. May you be healthy. So these are the things which shows an wish. May I come in? So maybe that was one of the questions, but here we will consider only the wish. May you be very much helpful to others. So all these things shows a wish. So optative sentence, what it expresses? It expresses a wish. So these are the things. And what are the punctuation? In a declarative sentence, after completion of sentence, we are going to use full stop. In an interrogative sentence, our interrogative sign. Next, imperative sentence, we can use full stop, or sometimes there is exclamatory sign. In an exclamatory sign, there will always be exclamation sign. And in a optative or wish, full stop, or sometimes maybe an exclamation sign. So these are the things, these are the punctuations which we are going to use while these sentences are being written in our textbook or in our paper. So these are the things. Now, by some examples, we will understand the form of the sentence, what are their functions, and some examples which will show you that how they are being written. So let's see the thing which will give you a more vivid way to understand. You can see in this chart that what I have written, form, which type of sentence, what its functions. I will give you an example, and what are the punctuations used in this type of sentences. So let's begin with the first one, declarative. I have already told you, it gives you a statement. So suppose it tells something. If I write, I like cake. So this is a statement. That means you are saying that you like that thing. It may be of positive nature or it may be of negative nature. Suppose if I write like this, I don't like cake. It is also a statement. I have told you that statement can be of positive, declarative statement, sentence can be of positive or of negative. I don't like you, I like you. Both are the things are statement. So, and after that the punctuations will always be used full stop. Next, interrogative sentence. What does our interrogative sentence tells us? It asks some questions or asks something or some questions. So, if I like this, what are you doing? And after that the punctuations will be the interrogative sign. I can also write like that. If I don't want to question with the interrogative words, auxiliary verb can also be used to question. Suppose, are you having fun? So this is also a question. So whenever you are going to see these things, they will question you something or they will want some information for you. So this is called interrogative sentence. After interrogative sentence, there were imperative sentence. That means command, request or order. So it tells you to stop something or to start something, but they are not in a statement way. They will order you to stop something or they will order you to stop something. So this is the thing. Suppose if I say, don't eat the cake. So that means here it is being ordered to not to do something. Start your work immediately. That means it is also ordering you something. So in imperative sentence there will be order or request. So and the punctuation will be mainly full stop, and sometimes it can the exclamatory sign can be used. So these are the three most important things of a declarative statement, interrogative statement and imperative statement. Now I am going to show you about the exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. So let's see what are the examples of text. What it comes, exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. So exclamatory sentence, what purpose or what function does it do? Expresses surprise, wonder, joy, sadness, etc. So all this can be expressed in exclamatory sentence. Not only joy, but the negative part of it also can be expressed. Sadness can also be expressed. Surprise or wonder, when you surprised by something, that can be also of an exclamatory sentence. So if I give you an example, what a delicious cake it is, and after that exclamatory sign. So it is expressing a satisfaction, a wish, a joy that has been created by having that cake. So in every exclamatory sentence you are going to use exclamatory sign. So this is the exclamatory sentence. Now I am coming to optative sentence, which shows you an wish, and obviously the punctuation will be full stop, but sometimes it can be an exclamatory sign. May God fulfill your dream. So this is a wish which you want to be fulfilled. May you be successful in the future. May your health recover very soon. So these are the wish which we used to have. So optative statement is expressing a wish. Exclamatory sentence expresses surprise, wonder, joy, sadness, etc. So these are the things of the 5 kinds of sentence which you have learned up till now. There are a different classification which I will be giving you here also, which will show a classification too of sentence. There will be 3 kinds of things. I will show you these things also. So now I will give you a little bit detailed descriptions of these 5 kinds of sentence, how they are being formed. So let's see. So now there is a bit detailed way of explaining this thing. Declarative statement gives us information, you all know. But how it is being formed? Subject plus from mostly. Mostly it is being formed by using the subject and the verb. Sometimes it will have object. Many a times it can have object, but it must have a subject and a verb. I don't like you, or I don't like cake, but I like cake and I like you. These are the examples. For examples, I like you. So these are the examples of declarative statement. Next, in the interrogative sentence, what you can see, I have to use a WH word. That means a interrogative word, what, when, who, how, whom. These are the WH words. After that, an auxiliary verb may come, sometimes it may not come. And then the subject, and after that there will be a verb. Sometimes it may not, there will be an object. So this we have to see. So if I, for example, if I give what do you want? And after that question mark, see, WH word, auxiliary, subject and again a verb. So by this way the format will go. Next, in imperative sentence, what gives command or make request. Stop doing nuisance. So this is an example of stop shouting. Suppose, for example, stop shouting. So this is an example of our imperative sentence. Punctuations, either it will be an exclamation or mostly it will be full stop. It must have a verb, and what the verb is doing, that it has been expressed. The subject can also express the action also. Next, exclamatory, which expresses emotion. What are the thing? What, then adjective, after that the noun will be there, the subject or the verb. Sometimes it can be expressed with how, then adjective or the adverb after the subject and verb. Suppose, for example, if I give you an example like this, what a liar he is. So this shows that the interrogative word is being used, after that an adjective, and after that the subject or the noun pronoun, and after that the verb. So by this way our emotions is expressed. Last, optative sentence, which shows wish. Modals will come in the front, after that the subject, verb, and sometimes there will be object. So what I am giving you example, may God fulfill your wish. So here, as you can see, modal is used, after that the subject or the noun is there, then the verb, and after that the object. So our sentence will follow this pattern. So note this chart down, because it will help you a lot in solving these questions. How to point out the which sentence is what and how their functions is being done. So all these are explained here. So even after these 5 kinds of sentence or types of sentence, there are 2 more things. What is? They are called affirmative sentence or negative sentence. So what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentence? Affirmative, that means you are certain about something. You are showing that this is certain. Yes, he is a good boy. So this is affirmative. And what is a negative sentence? It is showing a negative sense. That means he is not a good boy. These are the things. But there sometimes do questions come that change from affirmative to negative without changing the sentence. I hate you. This is an affirmative sentence. That means the person didn't like that other person. So I hate you. How will you change this sentence into a negative sentence without even changing the meaning of it? So now you are going to write like this. I do not like you. I have used the negatives and one negative thing, and after that I have used the opposite of hate. And after that I have completed the sentence, and this sentence shows you or gives you the same meaning which it has been used while in an affirmative sense. So these are also one of the classifications which you have to remember. So these are the kinds of sentence what you have seen today. Learn them by heart. Follow this chart and the chart which I have given you in the previously. So go through this and it will help you a lot. I hope you have learned up till this, and if you have any kind of queries, do comment in the comment box so that I can help you out in several ways. If you like this part of the video, please do like and share and subscribe my channel so that I can bring you more videos like this. I hope that you are all doing very good and have a really very happy new year, and I hope that you will make lots of ambitions and you have got lots of resolutions to perform this year, and I hope that you will be doing very good all throughout this year. So have a very nice and great day to all of you.